Meaning of destination wedding.
Destination wedding.
Destination wedding.
Destination wedding.
Destination wedding. A destination wedding refers to a type of wedding where the couple decides to get married at a location that is not their hometown or where they currently live. This usually involves traveling to another city, state, or even country for the wedding ceremony and celebrations. The result of a destination wedding is often a more intimate and unique wedding experience that allows the couple and their guests to enjoy a memorable vacation while celebrating the marriage. It can also be more expensive and requires careful planning and coordination with vendors from afar.